Hi guys, Cliff here. So it's a lovely day and it's the day I'm going to test fly the Mannock biplane. It's been sitting above my head here on the shelf for quite a few weeks now, waiting for the lockdown to be over. But it's over now, so the Spitfire build can wait a couple of days. The build videos for the Mannock biplane are just below. I'll link to them just below in the description if you're interested to have a look at that. But lots of fun things to come, including the Spitfire finish and maiden flight itself. That's rubber powered free flight, of course, so quite different to what I'm used to doing. So let's get up the flying field, let's get the plane packed, get up the flying field and see how this one flies. So thanks for checking in and see you up there. Cheers.
Okay, here we go, chaps. Wow, it flies. Look at that.
No.
Okay guys, really happy with that. That's safe. That was full up elevator to flare, so I'll have to put a little bit more in. I've dialed in a little bit of right rudder and a little bit of right aileron, but it's hard to tell in this wind exactly what's going on. Okay, flight number 2, increase the elevator throw to flare out better, hopefully. Huh. Might be a bit high, but we'll see. Oh, did that last time. That'll do, on the patch. There we go. Successful flight number 2. So there we are, guys. Brilliant maiden flight for that one. And but unfortunately I've lost one of the wing struts. So what I'm hoping to do is to review the video and see if we can see exactly where I lost it. But for maiden flight, I'm very pleased with that. It goes home in one piece again.